I'll come out here. I'll come out here if it's too bad. Or you lot can come out here. I don't mind.
I was literally.
Well, you got stuff for it. Sorry.
And we've got an
I was
basically like that.
I slept when you were hearing it, then I
No, I'll do it everywhere. I don't know. I'm on my sleep. I don't know. I'll get an eye here on the edge.
I was like,
I'm not allowed to sleep in there.
I wasn't allowed to sleep at high speed.
You're not? No, that's right. Because I snore like a bitch. So.
It's all good, man.
I do snore. Good night, mate.
How bad is it? Can you just give me like
11.
11 out of what, 5?
No.
And
Can we like act it out though? Like
Spencer does a good impression.
Spencer.
Snoring.
Oh, I got a teammate here. Ryan's got a couple, I got a couple.
Go on,
Which one would you like to hear? Dinosaur? Little girl?
Dinosaur's good.
Well, he's got a velociraptor. You know.
Dinosaur's cool. I'm into dinosaur. He's having it.
And then there's the scuba diver that's like. And then Ryan's got the cartoon bear.
then there's a set of dog on your face. And these are all dog.
And then there's the lion roar. It's just like.
I heard that! That's the one who woke me up! That's the one who woke me up!
My favorite though is when you'll hear just like the little girl. There'll be a little girl like. We're not kidding. Get ready. We're not even.
I can't wait to hear this.
It's only been one night. They know him. They know him by name. It's only been one night.
Name him and everything.